Hey everyone, it's Cy and Anna from Size Escapes, and today we're in beautiful Lake Michigan with Steven and Andy. And today you're gonna find out how we almost got their van stuck in some sand. So stay tuned.
We're Steven and Andy, caffeinated travel couple on a mission to see all 50 states.
Today we go back to a state we've been to before, but have been wanting to see even more of, Michigan.
Join us on our epic road trip to see the U.S. in our camper van Ace.
Let's go!
Leland is an historic fish town that is also known by the name Fishtown, and it's still operating today, not just as a tourist spot, but as a thriving fishing industry. Love little free libraries. It's a good place to leave a banned book.
So we're not just here to check out a cool fishing village on the Great Lakes. We're also here to meet up with our friends Cy and Anna.
I cannot wait till they get here, and we're heading over to the cheese shanty to get some sandwiches. We ordered our sandwiches and walked a short way to the beach for a picnic. Next, we decided to go for a hike at Pyramid Point. With Google Maps leading the way, I think we took a wrong route to the Pyramid Point parking, and now we're on these dirt trails. I feel like we're on the hiking trail, just driving it. But a gentleman who was just walking on the trail with his dog said that we're not far from it. But man, these roads are treacherous. I'm really nervous. And wow, I feel like we definitely went the wrong way. I don't like the look of that at all. Alright, back up the treacherous trail.
We did not plan for off-roading like this.
Oh god, we are not equipped for this. Okay, you got this. Still bouncing around a little, but it's not too bad. Our silverware drawer is threatening to slide open, but it's holding so far. That is the worst right there. Now we're losing control. Don't rev. Oh, okay. Oh, we're stuck. All right. Okay. I feel a bit better seeing that guy come through. At least we're not the only ones coming down this way. You're good, you're good. This is way more adventure than we thought we were in for today. Poor Cy and Anna are waiting for us at the parking lot, I'm sure, wondering if we just probably ditched them.
Finally reunited with our friends, we enjoyed a brief wooded walk to an epic view of Lake Michigan. We wrapped the day with a post-hike ice cream stop and a bear territory parka.
Hey, do you know what to do?
I'm learning.
I will be so stoked if we see a bear.
Just had an awesome morning doing the Sleeping Bear Dunes dune climb.
Which we can't show you because rules. But we have a couple photographs and I'm pretty sure those are allowed. Yesterday when we were with Cy and Anna, they tipped us off to this great spot here in Empire. It's the Grocer's Daughter Chocolate Company. And we are so psyched to go and see what they have. Whiskey Fig, which we're gonna try in a little bit, but first we need to go across the way and get some pizza. We keep seeing these awesome farm stands along the roads, and we were saying so many times, okay, we have to stop, get some produce, get some stuff for the van, and we are finally doing it. I'm very excited. This place is really cute, and I think we're gonna get some really good fruit here. Last couple of days of hiking, and especially all of the sand today, we need a shower. And we could do our outdoor shower in the back, which we haven't tried yet, but I feel like I need a little bit more of a scrub than that will provide for me, because we only have about 4 gallons of hot water that we would need to share between the two of us. So we're doing the next thing on our shower list and taking advantage of some massage chairs while we're at it.
Yeah, it's been 4 days since our last shower and she stinks.
Hey! Early morning today, we got some big plans. We are going to Mackinac Island. We're going to take a ferry there because there are no motorized vehicles allowed, and then we can walk around the town, rent bikes to ride around the perimeter of the island. I hope this weather starts to cooperate soon because we're going to be there in less than 2 hours, and so far it's been nothing but rain. Bouncy ride. I'm feeling just a little bit queasy, but thankfully it didn't last too long. So I've got my feet on solid ground again. I'm gonna feel fine real soon because we need to get some lunch and then hit all the fun shops on the island.
Can you smell that? It's incredible.
Naturally, it started raining again, so we ducked into a shop to do some magnet shopping. Haven't found quite the right one yet, and I think now we're gonna get an early lunch so we can hopefully wait out the weather, and within the next couple hours it should clear up and we're gonna try to rent a bike.
Man, so much for the hottest summer on record. I am chilled to the bone.
We warmed up with some hot tea and a delicious chunky soup, among other nibbles, before heading back out to explore.
We had hoped to rent a tandem bike so that we could do the bike ride all around the perimeter of the island and check out some of the scenic spots along the way. However, even though the rain has finally stopped, the roads are still really, really wet. There is rain forecasted off and on for at least the next couple of hours, and then they're also forecasting really high winds. So unfortunately, this is gonna be a no bike ride trip for us. But instead, we're gonna go ahead and walk up to the Grand Hotel. It's a very famous hotel here. And then we're also gonna go check out the fort.
They even have the fancy horses here.
We're not gonna pay to go inside. I'm sure it's beautiful, but $20 for the two of us to go in is kind of no reason.
Yeah.
And it's gorgeous out here. We've got amazing views of the bridge and the lake. and they have some incredible grounds. So we're happy just to do a quick walk around and then move on.
Yes. This is the one?
So we've been getting into quite a good habit of making our own coffee in the van. We still love to stop at coffee shops and of course support local businesses.
Yeah.
But today we want to thank our coffee sponsors for supplying us with several days of coffee. We want to thank Ray and Janet, some friends of ours from Florida, for sponsoring today's and probably tomorrow's and the next day's coffee. We found this great little shop here. It's got all kinds of gifts and things, and of course coffee from a local maker. Check it out, maple flavor. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you so much, Ray and Janet. This buzz is for you.
Did we mention that there are no motorized vehicles on this island? That means even trash pickup and UPS deliveries are done by horse and cart, and the police ride either horses or bikes. Hot tip, Reba's bikes are the lowest prices we've seen so far, especially on tandems.
We loved so much about the island and highly recommend a visit there. But there was one negative.
Okay, but seriously, it's like horse everywhere. And it doesn't smell great either. Here comes the rain again. Other people are brave enough to bike in it, but
We don't want to get dirty.
if we got the bikes, we wouldn't have to do all these stairs, you know. I'm just saying.
It's cardio, babe.
Yes, it is. And finally, we cannot leave the island until we try all of the fudge from all of the shops.
It's funny how there are so many fudge shops in this little stretch, and 20 of them are Ribas. Okay, I'm kidding. It's not 20, but it's at least 4 just in a couple of blocks. What? I don't think that's the best way to go with chocolate peanut butter.
We chose 4 shops to buy from, and I have to say, all of them were delicious.
Yeah, but there was definitely one that stood out, wasn't there?
Yeah, from the cool vibe of the shop, to the beautiful plastic-free packaging, to the rich flavor and incredibly smooth texture of the fudge itself, our favorite was easily Murdix.
We're spending our last day here in Michigan at Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, which is part of the National Park system, so you know what that means. Anyhow, we cannot leave the area before trying one of the major food groups here.
Yep.
Pasties. So we got a tip online that this was the place to get them.
We love pasties. We've had them when Andy's mom has made them, and of course when we've been to England. So we're really looking forward to see how they stack up here in this region, if they're the same or better.
What's happening over there?
Yes, I should have picked it up.
Is it good?
Excellent.
That really hit the spot.
Oh, that was really delicious.
We have one more stop here at the park, and then we head off to Wisconsin. Finally, a new state.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.